Infinity U display and triple camera, and then on-screen fingerprints. These are all on the 50. Let us cut and open the box. Samsung Galaxy A50 looks at the box when it opens. Let's see what this white box is. There is also a cover guarantee card. Comes with a nice thick cover made of silica. Let's see what's in the box. Then comes a good fast charging adapter. And what we can see is a normal headphone that Samsung doesn't give on every phone. The C-type USB charging cable will fit in this box. The first look at the A50 is 25MP front camera, Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. You can see the volume key and power key on the side. This side we can see speaker grill, and then the next, Type-C charging port and 3.5mm audio jack. The left side is the slot why here you put the two SIM memory cards. At the top we can see the noise cancelling microphone. The back side comes in a glass finish and blue color. The triple camera comes in 25MP plus 5MP plus 8MP format and comes with a LED flush. Next we see that it is written as Samsung. Press the power key and the device will boot. It is written as Samsung Galaxy A50. The phone comes with Android 9 operating system and comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. Processor comes with. The battery comes with 4000 mAh fast charging. We can see the video photo taken at the Samsung Galaxy A50. We can take good video and photo at this phone. SIM card slot can be opened using ejection pin. 2 nano SIMs at a memory card. Go to YouTube and see some videos I uploaded and some other video. With the Dolby Atmos sound effect, the earphone can also be heard sounding perfect. Thanks for watching.